Welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to put a donation button on our website. I'm gonna be using WordPress now, but I've done two videos also on WordPress, but it was a different year. Also I've done one in plain HTML. So if you want plain HTML, I've got a video in my videos which talks about plain HTML, how to do a donation button. So I don't want to, but we're using PayFast. So now here we're going to talk about PayFast. We're not going to use PayPal. PayFast, you know, it's very popular here in Johannesburg, Cape Town, Durban, and all other major cities here. You know, there are some things they will require from you. They need a letter from your bank. If you open your PayFast account, this is the letter I put in, bank account proof. You can see this. I submitted that. Also they need a ID. I submitted this ID. This was for my client. I did submit for him. And also the physical address where you stay. They're gonna need all that documentation to make sure that you are the person they are dealing with, and who are you. All those things they need, because you're going to be dealing with money, so they don't want somebody who's going to scam people around and run away. So that's why they need all those documents. So I submitted them anyway. They are here. It can show that documents provided in the past, so that's crazily good. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go to the profile first. Profile, no, we're not going to go to the profile. We're going to go to your dashboard. That's where we're going to find those buttons, the ones we're going to create. And also you're gonna choose how much money you want someone to donate. You can click yes, dashboard. Then on dashboard you click down. Once you click down, we're gonna see these buttons. You're gonna say request payment, pay now button, request payment. You can click on that request payment and you can see this is gonna say buyer's email address, amount, action, good, service, subscription, whatever you want to request. If you don't want that, also there is something else where here you can say generate. You're gonna say button which is gonna tell you pay now. This is the button we're gonna put on our website, pay now. So what you're gonna do, sorry about that, you're gonna select what you want, but I would advise you to leave it the way you want, but now you can also take button with HTML form. So I think this is better. We can select that button with HTML form. This is gonna be just a link. This is gonna take HTML form. So after here you're gonna say item name. We can say donations, or we can say donate. It would sound better. Then they say amount, how much you want somebody to pay. You can say somebody might pay, I want them to pay me 200 rands, and that's the donation I want. And they say return URL, it's the page, your site where users are returned after successful payment. Okay, includes HTTP, whatever. So if you want, you can put your return URL in case you want, if somebody pays, you want to go. I'm gonna go and say that's not necessary. I'm just gonna put something like and I just put something for samples. We can say, we can click there and copy that URL and put in there. Okay, cancel this page, your website where users are returned if they cancel the payments. Where do they want to be? You can put the same page. I'm just putting this, but they are not necessary. Additional what? Shipping form, option custom price. Yeah, I think custom price is something good even here, which means people can choose how much they can pay you. Custom quantity, I think that's also thing. This, okay, shipping information must be filled in, required. Okay, the buyer's shipping information will appear in the item description field, which has a maximum of 225 characters, 255 characters. Please make sure that your item description is short enough to record the shipping information. So I'm gonna take this custom price and I say create or generate, and once I'm done with that, yes, you see I got this entire thing, which is great for me. I'm gonna copy everything here and take this, copy this. I'm gonna log into my website. I'm gonna find somewhere here, you see somewhere here, or on the sidebar somewhere where I'm gonna put the button people to donate. But anyway, it's gonna be sample. I'm gonna delete it afterwards. I'm gonna go to my dashboard. I'm using WordPress, but also that is the HTML code. You can put it anywhere you want. We can even generate one if you want to put it on our. So you go to widgets. Go to widgets. Once we're in widgets, you can see we have our sidebar here. I'm a little bit tired, but anyway, I have to do this video. That sidebar, we're gonna get something what they call text. I need a widget here. This widget gonna help me. I'm gonna take it here to be the first here. Okay, put it here and say donate. No, please. Okay, and copy and paste this here. After I want to save, after saving, I'm gonna say done. Okay, donate now, please. And I can go here home and refresh and see what I'm gonna see. Need to see something incredibly fine. If I don't see something, then it simply means I'm gonna be like somebody who's doomed. But anyway, that's not an issue. We can manage to fix that. You can see it's here, donate now. But now we made a mistake, which we're gonna fix. Don't worry about that. We're gonna go back to this donate now, please. We take all our code, we click there and say we need to code here, put code in, then you save. Instead of putting visual, put code. After putting code, we said done and we've saved already. We're gonna go here and we refresh and see if our button is working. Scrolling down to see. Okay, please donate. Yeah, no, this is subscription. Somebody subscribes. I want to see our button. It was here. It was there, and if I can't find it, thing is the template is a little bit complicated, but it should be on this side here. Updates. Yes, you see it says pay now. It's gonna be 200, but anyway, there is some custom. You can customize and say me I want to give 3,000. If I want to give 3,000, then I'm gonna say pay for whatever that is the money I want to pay. Okay, rejected that money, but anyways, okay. I'm gonna put mm@gmail.com. After that, it tells me instant payment, whatever, EFT, instant payment. You can say FNB. FNB username, FNB whatever. So this is what I get. You get me? So because I think my account is not, everything's fine, you can see it goes there, it works. Because my account, it hasn't been approved, so it doesn't take credit cards for now, but this is proper. The button is working 100%, so it did not even allow us to say to take donation buttons, to take the cards for now. It only allows us to do EFT. But I think once they do approve, then everything's gonna be fine. So but this is the way it works, and we managed to put it in. That's the strategy you're gonna use to do what? To do your donation button. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. I hope this helps, and if you have any problem or any question you want to ask me, this is a new account. It works 100%, but it doesn't take cards for now. It only takes EFT. But then time is gonna come when they approve, because I just submitted for this client of mine recently. Then after that, it's gonna allow to take cards. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.